Welcome to Ask and Learn.
In this problem, we have 3 trunks. So let's draw a picture. This is our trunk number 1. This is our trunk number 2. This is our trunk number 3. And so each of these says something on it. The first one says that the treasure is in number 3. The second one says that it's in number 1. And the third one says that it's not in either. So this is just the null symbol, it just means it's not in any of them. And so the queen says the queen cannot tell a lie. So we want to know if she can't tell a lie, which could she say that all of these statements are false? Could she say 1 is false, 2 are false? How many of them are false? So let's think about it. If the treasure was actually in trunk number 1, so let's say the treasure is here. How many of these would be true? How many would be false? Well, the first one says it's in 3, but it's actually in 1, so that would be false. The next one says it's in 1, and it is in 1, so that would be true. The third one says the treasure is not in any of them. Well, that would be false. So here we have one true statement. Now let's say instead that the treasure is in chest 2. Well, in this case, the first one would be false, the second one would be false, and the third one would be false. Now how about if it was in trunk number 3? Well, the first one would be true, the second one would be false, and the third one would, it says none of them, but it is in this one, so that one would also be false. Now the last possibility is if the treasure is not in any chest, it's way out here. Well, in that case, the first one would be true, the second one would be false, and the last one, trunk number 1, would also be false. So we can see that if in the black case, there's 1 true, in the green case, there are no trues, in the red case, there's 1 true, and in the blue case, there's 1 true. So the only time that they would all be false was in the green case. So if the treasure is in chest 2, let me use green. If the treasure is in chest 2, well then they're all false. If the treasure is anywhere else, whether it's in trunk 1, trunk 3, or it's not anywhere, well then there's 1 true and 2 false. So that is our answer.